under 10k makeup product, like 10k naira. So in this tutorial I'll be showing you nice makeup products that you can get 10k for a full face makeup. So now I'm starting out with my Davis pencil. This Davis pencil is like it's amazing. Okay, it's amazing and it's cheap, and this Davis pencil can get for about 300 naira. In this year, you can I want to show you how you can maximize or optimize your income, and you don't spend a whole lot buying makeup products and testing. So you can see that this Davis pencil is it's a holy grail, and it's very when you're applying it, it applies properly. It's not the type that will be breaking, and it's very cheap and affordable. So if you are looking for good makeup products, quality makeup, full face makeup product that you can have in your kit under 10k, then this tutorial is for you. So you can see that now, after drawing the brows, you get a pro Elegel Pro concealer, and this Elegel Pro concealer goes for about 1,000 naira. It goes for about 1,000 naira. So I would suggest, depending on your skin tone, I would suggest you get two. You get like the one lighter, 2 shades lighter than your skin tone, and 2 shades darker than your skin tone. That way you can use it to conceal your brows, highlight, then the dark one you use to contour. So that's 1,000 naira for each, which is 2,000 naira. Guess, like I said earlier, I told you that we're going to be doing under 10k full face makeup. So just stick to the end of this video and stay tuned. So you can see that one thing I like about this Elegel Pro concealer is that it is very easy to manipulate. It's not thick. Okay, it's not thick, and it blends very well. So it is much more cheaper when you are buying it than buying a whole palette, which may be more expensive. Like I said, see me, I'm feeling myself here. So now, foundation. This is Zickel Pro. I'll suggest you get a Zickel Pro foundation. Zickel Pro foundation is about this is in the shade Mucha. It's about 3,000 naira. Sorry, I don't think this is the Mucha shade. This is not Mucha shade, but this is Zickel Pro foundation, full coverage, and it's just about 3,000 naira. And one thing I like about this Zickel is that it is very super easy to blend. So you can see how well blended it is, and you can see now I'm taking my my pro concealer that I used to to conceal my under eyes. I'm going to be making this video straight to the point. Okay, I skipped the primer and the whole lot of skin routine, because that's like your skincare. So you can see I'm taking the dark shade of my Elegel Pro concealer, and I am using it to contour. So if you are really going to optimize it, you must be ready to do hacks. Yes, you must be ready to do makeup hacks. One thing can go for multiple things, and your makeup will come out perfectly. Yes, so you can see I'm taking my Zaron setting powder. And this Zaron setting powder, I got it for about 2.5, and this setting powder is balm. Yes. Okay, this is my graphic liner. You can get your graphic liner for like 800 naira. You can get one, and this thing, it just gives your makeup a very unique look and feel. Yes, you can get multiple ones, because I use multiple ones, but for this less than 10k makeup, you want to get one that you really love. So like I said, you want to go to like wholesale shops, shops that they sell in the market, where they sell wholesale. You get a lot of affordable things, even though yes, the inflation, there's inflation, but yet you still get much more available things that are going to fancy makeup shops. Yes, so After this, of course, you can see I'm using multiple graphic liner. Like I said, affordable makeup things, you want to get one, you can get purple, you can get orange, just something you can use to design it. Yes, you can see me feeling myself trying to add it. So I may not do to the end. If you want to watch the tutorial of how I achieved the graphic liner look, I'll be leaving it in the description below. So I may have to cut the makeup, this graphic liner look in the middle, but however you want to, of course, get like your Zaron powder. Yes, after you do your graphic liner, you want to get a Zaron powder. My Zaron powder I used for this makeup, I got it about 2,000 naira. Yes, you can see the finished look. Yes, you may or may not use lashes, that is up to you. And I used a changing lipstick. The lipstick is Magic Lip Gloss. It changes and it's just 300 naira. Yes, so also, if you like to add blush, which may or may not be important, you can use your lipstick, whatever lipstick you have, red or pink, and dab it on your cheek. But that's not so essential. But here's the final look. If you like this video, do well to give it a thumbs up. Do well to comment what you think, and also do not forget to subscribe.